Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine. Uh, Today I am share the new place and this very beautiful nature. In this nature and the out of in this Sundarban, basically it is basically not 24 district. Uh, so. Uh, So today is my video. The another video is very different. It is a very beautiful nature, and today share the another. So mm, let's start. I am share you. Just see the view and then continue my video. Uh, it is a soil road, and then it is a jungle. It is jungle is very dangerous, and I am now is very dangerous because it is live that and tiger and the dangerous animal. So it is river name is Raimangal. uh, it is distance basically uh, 16 meter. So this line the small boat and just see the sun. A very nice sun. It is a very beautiful time. It is high time to basically enjoy. So I am enjoy this time and enjoy you. It is at the time um, the river, the water, the over the road, and then it is very dangerous situation. It is time basically 2 hours ago, and then the many men's are very uh, dangerous. So I hope you see the full view. Uh, so it is now time basically 3 p.m. So uh, it is in this place and my village and my home. um, it is very long distance. So it is my now just enjoy and video. So for YouTube. So I thought today is my video. It is long because then the today's ago video is very short types. Then no interest the another people. So I thought my video as today it is medium high times video. So it is natural beautiful time and natural beautiful place, and thus enjoy you and thus enjoy me. So and then uh, and then overall see the view again. Just wait. So it is water cycle. It is and it is basically time and was very natural time, and the overall the sun uh, it does a few of times uh, is this down. So it is a very beautiful time. I hope you understand. And then I am some speaking in this area. Basically, it, it is a very poor family, and then it's very poor family, and um, so uh, I hope at the time I help uh, in this all total in this village beside her help her. So support me, and you are support me, and then I am support for another village people. So uh, and in this people basically stayed in this fishing in this river, and then bought from market, and then the rich people and buy in this the rich people, the another people buy fish. So the next video, it is very excited coming soon. In this next video I will speaking the my story, and uh, my speaking English journey, improve speaking English. So the next video is very excited. So in this video uh, it is your helpfully. So subscribe my channel, and like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel.